Hi guys, John Morgan here.
You already introduced yourself.
No, that was the one that didn't record.
Oh.
Alright, take two. We are making the Popeyes chicken sandwich at home.
Yeah, everyone's nice and non, but oh no, it's like
And we are following the recipe from Good Morning America. And we marinated the chicken overnight in this marinade that we made from the recipe, and we'll put it in the description below.
done, man.
This chicken's done, and I'm supposed to be pounding some new chicken for...
I need a plate.
Oh man. Alright, I gotta stop this to pound the chicken. Alright, put
Whoa,
it...
whoa, whoa, whoa,
What? Oh,
Oh my
Christmas.
goodness, you don't know what you're doing.
I don't. I'm just the
Why are
pretty
you
face.
pretending?
Alright, we gotta do this
Mash
first.
it in. Come on.
Mash it in.
Yeah.
Do I put some more of the junk on it?
No, I'm gonna stick it in the oil.
Is this just like that?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright.
I use the tongue so I don't burn myself, but whatever.
That's one.
But Dad's making me video. Not really working.
Hey.
Just kidding. He's learning. Learning.
Well, I had to...
Oh, that's very good. Very good.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. You're just doing that because you were just
No.
saying how bad I was doing it.
Sorry. Doing great. Let's get it in there with his friend.
Alright, you know that, Dill?
Ooh,
Alright. Use the tongs this time.
that's what I did. Maybe.
I'm trying to make it...
Do you know how to open them?
This is my hand that works. My right hand doesn't work very well.
Oh, alright. Because he's left-handed.
There, okay.
Whoa. Kind of a mess. Alright. Good job. You want
Okay,
to wash
now
your
we're gonna-
hand?
Yeah.
Then you can take this.
I want to take a try. I want to test it. You already tested it.
Oh, I sure
Wait,
did.
there's only two?
Look over there, Dylan.
Oh!
Don't mind the sugar behind it. That has nothing to do with the chicken.
Yeah.
Alright. Watch out. We gotta take a test bite.
Quick. Because I got stuff cooking over here. See, those other two had to cook longer because they were so thick.
These are kind of more the color you're looking at.
I know, but just stick it right here, though. Alright, Dad has some more pounding too. Alright, yum! Mooey mooey.
Yummy.
Delicious.
Mooey?
I've never had a Popeyes, so I don't know in comparison, but
Yeah,
that's pretty darn good.
pretty good.
And with our Chick-fil-A sauce, it's gonna be even better.
Even better.
Alright, we are about to try this. I have a bun, not brioche. What is this? Tailgater's crostini buns.
Yeah, it's close enough.
Oh, Brittany already took a bite.
Sorry.
How is it, Brittany? She tried it already. Is it spectacular?
I wouldn't stab someone.
I was just about to say, is it stab worthy or not?
Stabalicious.
Whoa, sorry about that. No.
I did though.
You got Chick-fil-A sauce.
Oh.
We're not going for the exact thing. We are going for our own twist. So we have our crostini bun and okay. We have Chick-fil-A sauce, homemade Chick-fil-A sauce on both sides. And I'm putting a pepper jack cheese on it. Which one to do? I think I'll take this one. That's a big one. Maybe that's too much. Lettuce. How much do they put on? I'll put on 2 big pieces. And tomatoes. We're getting close here. Alright. And the lettuce. Alright, I toasted my bun, got a little... Oh, you know what I'm missing? Pickles. Pickles. Did you get pickles, Brittany?
I did. It's not a preschool toy.
Alright. Got my pickles. I'm trying to decide whether I put another piece of cheese on this or not. I have pepper jack, and I was thinking of putting another piece on, but I'll just go ahead and take a bite. Ooh.
What? You went, ooh, like gross noise.
I was trying to get a bite with everything on it.
A little difficult in the first bite.
How was it?
Mmm. Pretty good. I was gonna say spectacular, but
You better say spectacular.
Delicious.
Delicious.
it's Stabalicious.
Really? Is it?
No, I wouldn't stab someone over it. So maybe it's not as good as Popeyes.
See, maybe we're not using the right recipe. What?
But, it's definitely good.
Well, I mean, did you put your soy sauce on it?
I did.
Not
Not tons of mayonnaise.
Oh, that's this key ingredient to this. Did you do this?
My viewers won't get that.
I know.
Look at that. Alright. Thank you, John, for videoing. Allison, what did you say?
Table slopping good. Not quite Chick-fil-A, but for a homemade fried chicken sandwich,
Thanks, Dylan. Thanks for that. Right
pretty delicious.
big old ketchup right in front of me. Could I get the slap, please? Alright, there we go. It's table slapping good.